Hello, I'm Dr. Shirley Wu. My talk is comparing the accuracy of microfocus X-ray to standard ultrasound for locating glass foreign bodies. I have no conflicts of interest to disclose. Foreign bodies are found in up to 15% of traumatic wounds seen in the emergency department. Radio-opaque objects such as metal pieces are easier to detect than more radiolucent objects such as glass. Up to 38% of these are initially missed, which can result in infection, delayed wound healing, and loss of function, thus increasing patients' morbidity and physician liability. Point-of-care ultrasound, otherwise known as POCUS, is now considered a reliable imaging choice. POCUS has demonstrated great efficacy and accuracy in detecting radiopaque and radiolucent foreign bodies in wounds. Microfocus X-ray imaging has a significantly increased resolution up to 100 times as compared to conventional X-ray. Microfocus X-ray has the potential to be incorporated into an imaging device that could easily be employed at the patient's bedside in the ED, urgent care setting, minute clinic, and an austere medical setting. The device is small and light and can easily be taken to the patient's bedside for point-of-care testing. This study compared the accuracy of microfocus X-ray imaging and POCUS for detecting small glass foreign bodies. Up to 7 small glass fragments were embedded in 60 chicken wings and thighs. 2 control samples were prepared with no foreign bodies to confirm reliability. 5 emergency medicine physicians with POCUS training but no additional X-ray training imaged the chicken pieces using a water bath technique with a butterfly IQ. They counted and recorded the number of foreign bodies visualized in each sample. Figure 1 shows a sample under ultrasound with one of the glass particles seen by the yellow arrow. X-ray images were then made with a microfocus X-ray machine. These same physicians, blinded to the chicken pieces, were shown the X-ray image and counted the number of foreign bodies in each. Figure 2, over here, is a typical X-ray image showing glass foreign bodies. The glass particles are numbered. The counts were entered and analyzed. Tables 1 and 2 show percentage and confidence intervals of foreign bodies found by POCUS, Table 1 on the left, and by microfocus X-ray imaging, Table 2 on the right. As you can see in Table 1, raters 1 through 4 using POCUS reported a rather consistent result finding of 53% foreign bodies, with reporting about 50% false negative. Rater 5 reported about 25% false positive and therefore shifts the average higher, thus reporting was done for raters 1 through 4. Compared to microfocus X-ray imaging, where the deviation between the individual raters is small and 100% of foreign bodies are found. This figure shows the probability distribution of finding foreign bodies in each sample as a function of deviation from the true number of foreign bodies. Thus, Shira represents an accurate rating of samples, i.e. the number of foreign bodies found is equal to the true number of foreign bodies. The results for POCUS and microfocus X-ray imaging are shown. Additionally, the POCUS results excluding rater 5 are shown. The distribution for microfocus X-ray imaging is rather symmetric around the maximum at 0. The distribution for POCUS is demonstrating a large number of false negatives. The extension of the distribution into the range of the false positive is primarily caused by rater 5 as evidenced by the difference between distribution for POCUS all raters and POCUS raters 1 through 4. Given the sensitivity of POCUS for finding a glass particle, the sensitivity for finding multiple particles in a sample is of course very low, here 7.8%. Microfocus X-ray image sensitivity for a sample is 40%. In summary, emergency medicine clinicians correctly identified 97.6% of the glass foreign bodies using microfocus X-ray imaging with 96.5% inter-rater reliability versus 62.3% of foreign bodies using POCUS with 70.8% inter-rater reliability. Clinicians were significantly more likely to correctly identify or overestimate the numbers of foreign bodies using microfocus X-ray imaging, and significantly more likely to underestimate the number of foreign bodies using POCUS. Here are my references.